Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon and never miss the future updates on Tech House. If you are looking for an interesting light feature to use as decoration for either the interior of your home or office, then best LED strips are a good way to go. LED strip lights are flexible, offer higher levels of brightness and use less power than conventional lighting solutions. Don't have time to watch the full video? No worries, check out the description for more updates. Subscribe our channel for more new videos and click on the bell icon. There are many LED strips in the market, but these are our experts' recommended top 10 best LED strip lights. We recommend you to watch the full video till end. We will give you the idea which LED strip lights you should buy. Let's start. At number 1 is LED strip lights waterproof. Our LEDs have a stronger blue adhesive that is stronger than other strip LED brands. Ultra bright and high quality LED chip allows the LED strip lights to be very colorful and durable. The remote can dim the lights and offers 44 different colors and modes. The lights are very suitable for living room, kitchen, cabinets, cars, bedrooms, parties, Christmas or weddings. At number 2 is Philips Hue LightStrip Plus. Hassle-free connectivity, control up to 50 Hue lights on one Hue hub without adding a Wi-Fi extender or extra router. Next level automation. Hue is a smart lighting system that remembers your light routines and timers, even when your Wi-Fi goes down. Ultimate entertainment experience, sync your Hue lights with gaming, music and movies using your PC via the Hue Sync app. At number 3 is Wentop LED LightStrip Kit. 44-key controller function, press DIY button and then just long press the up-down button, release the button when desired color appear, down button first as it start at white. Simply connect all the parts together and peel off the protection layer, then stick to the clean dry and flat surface. Multicolor changing LED strip lights can be cut to every 3 LEDs along the cutting marks, without damaging the rest strips. At number 4 is Wobane Under Cabinet Lighting Kit. DIY cabinet strip lights, great way to upgrade your cabinets, closet, desk hutch, bookshelf, wardrobe, bedroom, workbench, kitchen island etc. Sufficient brightness and energy saving, super bright under cabinet lights delivers total 1100 lumen. All installation accessories are included. No tools required. At number 5 is Ustellar Dimmable LED Light Strip Kit. Control them by switch dimmer included, convenient to adjust brightness. Self-adhesive back with adhesive tape for safe and easy application. The strip has excellent heat dissipation, making it much more durable. It very suitable for living room, kitchen, under cabinet, dining room, bedroom, party, stairway, wedding, etc. At number 6 is Pangton Villa TV Kit. Perfect mood light and can improve image clarity, relieve eye fatigue. Bring home theater-like enjoyment. 24-key remote 16-color changing dimmable 4 modes. Easy to install strong double-sided adhesive tape installation. We made the mark on the light strip, just connected it according to the mark. At number 7 is Rxment LED strip lights. 16 multicolored options for creating romantic atmosphere, but also has pure white for illumination purpose. Double layer copper, twice costs than other single layer copper LED light strips in the market. Ideal for LED under cabinet lighting and TV LED backlight. At number 8 is Nexlux LED strip lights. Create romance, relaxation, party ambience with music and mic function. Remote control allows you turn on off the LED strip lights from anywhere. Nexlux is engineered to provide a simple way to start designing your connected home. Nexlux offer high quality and diverse products, including waterproof, non-waterproof, various lengths LED strip lights and accessories. At number 9 is DotStone Music LED strip lights. LED strip lights change color and sync with music. The light's colors will change to follow the rhythm or melody. Support 16 colors looks like rainbow lights, 11 brightness levels, 3 dynamic modes, static, fade and flash. Every 3 LEDs can be separated with scissors along the cutting marks without damaging the rest of the strip. At number 10 is Lighting Ever Flexible. The working voltage is 12 volts, extremely low heat. Please do not use power adapter that is higher than 12 volts to supply. Self-adhesive back with adhesive tape for safe and easy application. It is touchable and safe to children. Easy to cut and link by Lighting Ever connector, included, and not need to be soldered. We hope that our list of the best LED strip lights will help you find exactly what you are looking for. We recommend you to buy at number 8 Nexlux LED strip lights. This is the best deal in the market. Don't forget to check out the links in the description for more information.